I'm a UJ Mozillian, and this is all about Red Drops. Red Drops is it's mainly built for the mobile government to spread messages, health messages, and we have to strictly consider about this blood shortage. Blood shortage means, according to WHO, a population of a country's 1% of the blood have to be in stock. That means for India, it's have to be in 12 millions, but they only collect 9 million units only. That means that's a blood shortage. In USA, that could be 41 blood donation should be happens in one day, but that's not happens. In Sri Lanka, the probability of running out of required blood group in any emergency situation is 17%. So I think no one wants to be in that 17%. So we have a need and we give some solution. First of all, as all the solutions, we register the volunteer blood donors and blood banks as well to the mobile service providers. So for this, we are using a web portal to register the mobile blood banks, and for the users, we are using the Senate Mobile's USSD technology. So we have the volunteer blood donors and blood banks in our hands. That means we have a good structured network to supply a good to supply our nation's blood supply system. In fact, we have registered everyone, so it's in our database. So we have all the details. So this is in case of emergency situation. There's any hospital send a message to the mobile service provider, we need immediate blood. Then the mobile service provider will check through the Google API, and at the same time, we are using the HCNet LBS mobile technology to find the particular nearest and the suitable particular donor for the emergency situation as for the request. So in this case, if you have the particular person's location, we know that person was available in that area. In case of, in this building, there's someone need blood, so we have the blood donors in this particular area, and we have the mobile blood banks around this area. So we can send a message using the HCN Mobile's SMS API, so we can alert them to give blood on particular time. So it's very efficient. And as a social application, how are we going to promote this? We choose 5,000 early adopters as our users, early adopters, university students. So we have promoted in plenty of places. In fact, we promote this in many places. We pitched this on global WSA Global Congress, and we have a chance to pitch. And we make some awareness program in Kalmane also. So we win prizes for the CodeFest also. And for the revenue stream, we are giving total free applications for total free services for the government blood banks and the public. We are targeting the private hospitals and private blood bank for our revenue stream. For the installation of our program and for the lifelong maintenance, we are offering some money. And for the each and every request from a private blood banks, we are offering some money for that also. This is a statistic. We are targeting the private, as I said, private blood banks and hospital. Let's see the numbers. We have plenty of numbers. We have a big marketplace and now and a future also. So this is the international price list. That means $1,500 per application. But we can offer this our application for $300. And each and every USSD request is $0.03. So in fact, we can use the case API for that purpose. And this is in our one overview. So our plan to save life as much as possible. And we are exceeding our break-even point within 1.5 years with our revenue stream. And our vision is spread 5 million volunteer blood donors all around Sri Lanka within 4 years. And our mission is save 1 million users' lives within these 4 years. So this is a global problem, blood shortage. So we have a global market with little changes. We can make it applicable to any part of the world, to any part, any country. So this is a social application. It's available for everyone, and we have an attractive revenue model as other commercial products. Thank you, and I'm happy to answer any of your questions.